Listen to the story to answer the questions. My cat. I have a cat. My cat is orange. It has a long tail. Its eyes are brown. It likes milk. It likes to run and jump. I like to play with my cat. It makes me happy.